My name is Buffy. Nice to meet you. You guys might think I'm a tree, but no. I am not like other trees. I'll tell you one sad story. It was crowded and no one noticed me. Hi. Maybe people ignore me because they think I am just a stable tree. I am not like those trees who stand tall, firm, and still. I am different. Why? You want to know more about me? Follow me. I will bring you to who I am. The real tree can actually move only the bush of the head. I am different. I can move all over my body. And I have flexible stand and I can stay anywhere as long as there are music. Those notes on my body provide music. Today, let me show what music can I play. Chill. Rock music. And more. I give people calm feeling like in a temple. When there is wind, I shake and dance. I hope that this will make you know more about me and won't ignore me. Thank you.